Hello everybody, you're back here with your boy AP and we're doing another food review due to popular demand. We've gone with the pizza company. Okay, these are called Jumbo Puffs and I got some Korean sticky chicken wings and sort of dried up rat, don't know. Anyway, we've got some sauce here as well. Let's have a look. That fucking thing broke. There we go, let's get into it. Let's just put my finger in it. Fuck knows what that sauce is. Lid's going back on. It's got no flavour whatsoever. None. It tastes like eating fucking God knows what. Haven't even got a tissue. Actually, yes I do. So we'll use a tissue. Fucking sauce is revolting. Fucking Christ. Okay, let's try one of these chicken things. Okay. Lightly coated. Needs a bit of, I would say barbecue sauce. It needs something. They are nice. Now let me have a look at one of these fucking little things. This is like a meat pizza type thing, I don't know. I wouldn't go as far as saying it's state of the art. I mean, if you found it on the side of the road, you'd probably leave it. Those chicken poppers or whatever they are so much better. There wasn't much in that piece. Let's have a look at the big piece. Okay. So it's got your basic meat lover, B grade stuff in it. Let's have a eat. Not bad. Let's try one of these chicken wings. Korean sticky chicken wings. I opted for the non-spicy. Quite nice. Well folks, you know how it goes. We've got a load of work to do once again. I won't be getting through all this. That fucking sauce though. I don't know if it's come from a fucking crocodile's asshole or from a tiger's tooth. But Jesus, it's crap. Anyway folks, we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to follow the channel, give us a thumbs up. If you have ideas what you want me to try in food, I'm open to it. But I won't be getting takeaways like this every day. This is I've just moved to a new location. So I thought, hey, let's give it a go. Anyway folks, thanks for tuning in, and this was your boy, AP.